Right, we're going to talk about a trailer hitch on a Tesla Model 3. In this case, 2023, a rear-wheel drive, and this is how it looks like. Look at that. I hope the light is good. So this is how it looks like after installation. Now there's so many videos out and how to do this. I just want to talk about a few points that I have here doing my installation. What do you have to remove to get it on there? It's the bumper here. It's just clipped in. There are those plastic rivets there, those plugs. They have to be removed, of course. There's 3 of them on this side. It's shown in the manual for the hitch. There's the same on the other side. There's a screw in here from underneath there, a T25 torque, that has to come out. You have to remove the lights in the back. For the lights, you can unscrew this here with some pliers, loosen it up. You get it all the way out. Behind here, this cardboard, the easiest is just to pull the seal off, and then you can get in here. There's 2 screws very close by here that you can unscrew. Here's my manual for it. This, I'm going to put a link in there online for this manual. You can read it. Even before you buy it, read it. I like this model. Amazon, right? And the same here. So if you pull this out here, pull it away, then you can flip this back a little bit and get to 2 screws. Here you unscrew this, take this out, and then you can pull the whole assembly out, straight out. You can touch it here and pull. There's 2 pins in there. It's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. The seal you take off here, the whole seal, then you can get better behind here. You can pull out. This pulls out. All this is just clipped in plastic pieces. Here on the side you pull back, out. Alright, when you take the bumper off here over this way, right? There's this nut. This slides on here, right? So you have to take this off the bumper the moment you have it released like this, because if not, and this goes up this way here, then you could scratch the whole thing. So they are important to remove. The whole thing flips open. Underneath the vehicle, you have to remove a bunch of bolts down here. They are here behind this flap. On the other side, the same. This door you can remove there, and there is more screws back there that hold this whole cover on. But once those screws are out, you can just pull it off backwards and later reinsert it. The only difficult task really is to make a cutout in this door. You know, here I cut this out nicely, and that's it already. I should get the car wash with this car today. Alright. So, this is about it. And if you want to see how this looks like with a bike's rack on here, I can show you in the bike rack video. 2,000 pounds it can carry. You can order an E-kit, an electric kit. I have no sensors or anything in this car, but you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is true. Yeah, it has an 8-pin connection here for stuff. So if you get a wire kit, 8. And here's another one in here with 3. For that you have to know the plug that is behind here, how many pins it has. If you have revision 1 or 2, this is a revision 2. Then you have a wiring harness down there, hanging there with connectors, where you connect a trailer that can be 2,000 pounds max. That for the software in the car to have a trailer mode, you have to unlock that. That is also possible. You can sign up for daily pass for the dealer software, basically, to unlock that. It costs you $75 in the moment for the day. And yeah, then you could make it like real, right? Like with buttons inside. We're gonna check first how it works without. So, yeah, that's what it is. This worked good. But alright. So, that's how it looks like. So we go and look at this now. It says FSD Supervise is unavailable because the rear camera view is occluded. So I'm going to stop here for a second. So if you go in reverse, you get this constant stop beeping because you have this blob there in the way. Whenever you start moving, it will beep. And that's how this goes. So you can go and look at your cameras while you drive, and you can watch the thing, how it comes loose and falls off, or if anything is falling off your bike or flying in the wind, whatever you need there. That's pretty good. I don't know yet what a trailer would do in this case, how a trailer would, the trailer function in here, how that would do for you, but I don't know if it's really necessary to have that enabled or not. So here's the bumper on this car, and it has 3 bolts here to be fixed, but only 2 on this side. So they saved 1 bolt here. Isn't that crazy?